All right, to get the door off, open it about halfway and pull up. These two slots, or these two pins, fit into these two grooves. So putting it back, get it started in both sides. Now, because it's under tension, you're going to have to lift it up and kind of make sure that it bends, because you're going to have to go up with the bottom and down with the top. Yep, no, it's not in. There it is. There you go.